Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. So the question says, at the equator, a stationary body which is relative to the earth falls from the height h and h equals to 500 meter. Assuming the air track to be negligible, find how much of the vertical and in what direction the body will deviate when it hits the ground. So according, let's say ये हमारा अर्थ है. So this is the equator और ये हमारा नॉर्थ पोल and let's say the earth is moving at omega angular velocity. Now it is given that at 500 distance away from the earth in the equator, let's say this is h distance which is 500 meter, there is a body which is coming vertically with vz. Now we have to find that how much it will deviate. Let's say this will deviate here. So we have to find this distance. Let's say this is x. As you know that due to rotation, the particle will not fall vertically. It will deviate some distance and we have to find that distance. Right? So in this question, the key concept is Coriolis force in a non-inertial सिस्टम. क्योंकि इस पॉइंट पे कोरियोलिस फोर्स के कारण ही लेट्स से एफ सी विच इज अ कोरियोलिस फोर्स के कारण ही ये बॉडी डेविएट हो जाएगा. सो this let's say this is our y direction, this is our x direction and this is our z direction. So vz is in this direction and जो ओमेगा का जो डायरेक्शन है वो होगा एक्स डायरेक्शन में. नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ द एफ कोरियोलिस इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस ऑफ 2m ओमेगा क्रॉस वी जेड which is equals to 2m omega vz minus of I, so minus minus positive and we get I direction. Means कि if Coriolis is in the direction of x, so we can write that if x equals to 2m omega vz, so ax, that is acceleration along x direction, will be 2 omega vz. Now time at t, vz equals to uz plus gt, because when the body is falling down the acceleration is g, so the uz equals to 0, so vz equals to gt. From there we will get ax equals to 2 omega gt. From here we can write dvx by dt equals to 2 omega gt equals to dvx equals to 2 omega gt into dt. तो हम इंटीग्रेट कर लेते हैं dvx को 0 to vx और let's say time at 0 to time t. Going to the next page, we get Vx equals to omega g t square. Now Vx को हम लिख सकते हैं dx by dt equals to omega g t square. Now dx equals to omega g t square dt. Now dx को अगर हम 0 से x तक इंटीग्रेट करें और dt को 0 से t तक, now we will get x equals to 1 by 3 omega g t cube. Now h equals to ut minus half gt square, where h equals to half gt square because u equals to 0. Now gt square equals to 2h, where t equals to root over 2h by g. So we will put the value of t here. Now x, that is the deviation from the ground, is equals to 1 by 3 into 2h by g into omega into g into 2 root over 2h by g. So here g and g cuts, that is equals to 2 by 3 omega h root over 2h by g. Now putting the value, we will get 2 by 3 into omega, अर्थ का ओमेगा है 2 पाई बाय 2 रेडियंस कंप्लीट करने में 24 into 3600 seconds, that is 86400 into each, that is equals to 500 into root over 2 into 500 by 9.8, which is equals to 0.26 meter, equals to 26 meter. Hence, the body will deviate 26 centimeter in the direction. So direction x direction पे Coriolis force है. So the body will deviate in the x direction, which is east direction. So the body will deviate 26 centimeter in east direction. And that is our final answer. Hope you understand the question. Best of luck.